Welcome back to my channel. Today the makeup on my model is for a special occasion makeup. The primer helps the eyeshadow to stay longer and it shows the color perfectly. I use dark brown eyebrow pencil from e.l.f. Make sure you draw the eyebrows like it's like the actual hair. It looks more natural and more nice. Chose the base color for the eyeshadow and just blend it in through the eyelid. I'm adding the same eyeshadow I used for the base for the eyelid in the bottom of her eyes. I know you guys saying I'm very weird using my finger to apply the eyeshadow, but I feel like it's easier for me to not have the sparkles all over her face. Here I used Anastasia as the highlighter they have, but you guys can use any highlighter to put it in the corner of the eye. Mascara and the lashes. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you guys like it. Please subscribe my channel below. Thank you.